Hey YouTube, back again with another video. This video is going to be a little quick how-to. Today I noticed on my phone I have a Galaxy Note 9. When I was making calls, I could barely hear what people were saying to me on the earpiece. So like everybody else, first thing in my mind is, oh man, I gotta buy a new phone. But that's not the case. I'm going to show you a little quick trick that helped me out and got my volume back to normal. So what you want to do is grab some rubbing alcohol. It doesn't take a lot, just a little bit, and grab a Q-tip. And what you're going to do is just put a little bit of alcohol on the Q-tip. And then on the earpiece microphone, you're going to want to scrub it kind of hard. Get it in there so the alcohol actually cleans the earpiece. And you want to do that for a little while. Some of you guys might turn black. I already cleaned mine, so it's pretty clean. And then you want to take the dry part and go ahead and dry that off. Rub it hard. And get it nice and dry. And this should, it took mine a couple times, but after you do this, your volume should be back to normal. Now, if you don't hear any volume while you're on the phone, it might be because you need a new earpiece microphone. But if you hear it really low and you have the volume turned all the way up, most likely it's because you have a dirty earpiece microphone. So once again, this is for the Galaxy Note 9. Should work on other phones. Just remember, do not use a lot of alcohol. You don't need a lot. Just get in there real good and clean out real well, and you should be fine. So until the next video, like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully this helps you save some frustration and money. See you on the next one.